Hey everyone, welcome to a new era of business innovation. Imagine waking up one morning to find your business not just running, but thriving. All thanks to the magic of artificial intelligence. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's not just a dream anymore, it's reality with AI Pilot. AI Pilot isn't just another tool, it's a revolution in how we conduct business. With just my voice, I can deploy over 50 AI experts in any niche. That's right, from tech support to content creation, AI Pilot handles it all. Think about it, no more endless hours trying to figure out coding, no more headaches over design, and definitely no more sleepless nights worrying about marketing strategies. AI Pilot simplifies all these with its cutting-edge technology powered by Microsoft CodeAI and Cosmos 2.0. Now, let me tell you about the Done For You plus Profit Accelerator. This isn't just an add-on, it's a game changer. Users have seen a 325% increase in profit on average. And the best part? You pay once and it's yours. No monthly fees, no hidden costs, just a small one-time fee, and you're set to revolutionize your business. In today's competitive world, it's not enough to just work hard. You need an edge, and with AI Pilot, you have it over everyone else. Just imagine deploying your own army of AI experts with just a few clicks. So what are you waiting for? The opportunity to transform your business overnight is right here, but hurry. The special pricing is only available until midnight EST today. Grab your AI Pilot and start seeing real results. Fast, efficient, and hassle-free. Remember, this isn't just about keeping up, it's about staying ahead. With AI Pilot, you're not just surviving the business game, you're winning it. See you at the top. Scene 2, the power of AI Pilot in action. Let's dive deeper into how AI Pilot can transform your daily operations. Imagine automating repetitive tasks, freeing up your time to focus on what truly matters. With AI Pilot, you can streamline your workflow and enhance productivity. Get real-time insights and analytics to make informed decisions. No more guesswork, just data-driven strategies that work. Enhance your customer service with AI-driven support, ensuring customer satisfaction. Happy customers mean repeat business and increased revenue. Create and manage marketing campaigns effortlessly with AI Pilot. Track your campaign performance and optimize for better results. Need content? AI Pilot can generate high-quality content tailored to your audience. Publish engaging content that drives traffic and boosts your online presence. Manage your social media accounts with ease, scheduling posts and interacting with followers. Increase your social media engagement and grow your online community. Optimize your website for SEO, driving organic traffic and improving search rankings. Watch your website traffic soar and your business grow. Simplify your financial management with AI-driven solutions. Keep track of your finances and make smarter financial decisions. Ensure your business is secure with advanced AI security solutions. Protect your data and safeguard your business from threats. Seamlessly integrate AI Pilot with your existing tools and systems. Enjoy a unified experience and maximize your efficiency. Get personalized recommendations to improve your business operations. Implement these recommendations and see immediate improvements. With AI Pilot, you're never alone. Enjoy continuous support and updates. Feel confident knowing you have a reliable AI assistant by your side. Achieve success and take your business to new heights with AI Pilot. See you at the top. Scene 3, testimonials and success stories. Don't just take our word for it. Hear from our satisfied users. AI Pilot has transformed my business. I've seen a significant increase in productivity and profits. The AI-driven insights have been a game changer for our marketing strategies. I can't imagine running my business without AI Pilot. It's like having a team of experts at my fingertips. From automating tasks to generating content, AI Pilot has made my life so much easier. Our customer satisfaction has skyrocketed thanks to the AI-driven support. The financial management tools have helped us make smarter decisions and grow our business. AI Pilot security solutions give us peace of mind knowing our data is protected. The personalized recommendations have been invaluable in improving our operations. Integrating AI Pilot with our existing tools was seamless and has boosted our efficiency. Continuous support and updates ensure we're always ahead of the curve. Join the ranks of successful businesses and see you at the top. Scene 4, final call to action. The time to act is now. Don't miss out on this opportunity to revolutionize your business. Remember, the special pricing is only available until midnight EST today. Secure your AI Pilot and start seeing real results. Fast, efficient, and hassle-free. Stay ahead of the competition and lead the way. With AI Pilot, you're not just surviving the business game, you're winning it. See you at the top. To learn more about how AI Pilot can revolutionize your business, make sure to watch the full video. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Watch the full